been busy in my bathroom, just taking down all the wallpaper, that border wallpaper that was on the top. So a few pieces remain, and here's what I want to do. I think I'm just going to paint over it. We will see how it ends up. Oh, I forgot that piece right there. So let me get that down. But I want to use the paint that I have already, but I think that I'm going to need more paint because what I plan on doing is painting this room right in here as well. And I would like to do this before I bring all of the furniture here this next week, before everybody moves in here. I've been asked, what is my first project going to be? And it is going to be my master bathroom, just painting it. So this is the paint color that I have right here. It's called White Blush. I have this from the other house, and I'm going to put it on the walls. It kind of has a yellowish undertone, but in different lighting, it really does look, I mean, it's the right color that I feel I'm looking for up against this pure white. I think that it will be perfect. I consider this to be like a white blush color too. Yesterday I went to the Home Depot, picked up this because I don't have all of this stuff here. I did have some extra brushes and, you know, a stir stick, stuff like that in my painting supplies. But anyway, I also got this. So at the other house, I never used anything to protect the flooring because our flooring was laminate flooring and it could easily be scraped up if necessary. I was usually a pretty clean painter, but you know, this is carpet, so carpet in a bathroom, I know, but we're not going to be changing this out anytime soon, I would say, so we're going to try to protect it, and I'm going to get to work, and I will show you what it looks like after. Well, it kind of just looks like I've painted it white, or like a creamy white, but here's the thing, with the warmer light in here, like in the evening, I always like to have this little lamp on. I think that you will really be able to see the blush undertone to it. It'll be warm enough, but not beige. So I feel that it will make it nice and airy in here. Just, you know, with that, I have a valance that I've been thinking of putting in here as opposed to having it in the kitchen. I have 3 valances that I just recently purchased from the Catholic Charities, and I think that it will look really beautiful in here. Now, I was thinking of something more like either balloon-like or even something that kind of frames this. But I want to try it out with the one that I purchased first. I think that it will be really, it'll tie everything together. It's not bright white the way that this valance is. It's more of a creamy tone. So I think that it will work nicely. I am worried about trying to cover this wallpaper, but like I said, for now, it's just what I'm going to do and hope for the best. This is a better look at the color. We have some daylight light bulbs right here. So as you can see, it has a peachy undertone. So I was asked, am I going to have a pink office or bedroom? And I would say that this is as close as we're going to get to pink, which is not really pink at all, but I think it looks really great with pink, like pink glass. I think it looks great with blue, this light blue that I use. So I'm very pleased with the way that this color is coming out in here. I feel like evening time is not the best time to share it, but as you can see over there in the corner, it has a nice glow. I need to close these blinds now. So, see that? That's what I like about using that. Actually, that is a better look at what this space looks like. Just in the evening, I like to just use a lamp light instead of overhead lighting. I really don't use overhead lighting, come to think of it. And I have a skylight in here. Yeah, most of the time I like to just use this. It feels so much cozier. It's relaxing when I come into this bathroom area when I'm getting ready for bed. And so I think about the color of a space based off of what it looks like in the daylight and then what it looks like in lamplight, not so much overhead light. I wanted to give you a look at what the room is looking like and the difference between the shade of paint that I used. So this is that white blush, that can of paint that I had at the other house. I had used it on several things, especially on furniture. So I really like that. And the side table that I have been using in my bedroom, I feel that it just does not look right in front of this window. So I might be going with something smaller, maybe even just a round table, like a pedestal kind of table. We will just have to see about that, especially because the windows are so long. It's like I don't want to block the light that comes through there. So anyway, I had laid down all of this plastic every time I was just moving it along. And this is the old valance that was in the bathroom, which I will show you. I'll probably just donate this because I don't care for the length of it. And in here, I have been on a blow-up bed, which is the most uncomfortable thing to me. And it's like I also didn't bring the right kind of blankets, and I've just been cold here. And excuse the barking. It's outside time for the dogs right now. So this is the way the bathroom looks. I really like the way that it turned out, as you can see in the light. And I also want to share these valances that I purchased from the Catholic Charities. And I just love the material. It's so delicate, and the color, I feel that it matches this. It's not pure white, as you can see. It's like an off-white, but it just looks so beautiful up against this creamy color that I've been using. So I think that it will make for a very nice balance above this, and for it not to be that pure white color. So just the detail on here, so pretty to me. I need to go to Home Depot to get another can of this, and I definitely have spots that need to have another coat. So I think that just one more can of paint will do, and for any other area that I might use it in. I'm between this color and the blue in the laundry room, or the laundrette, I'm sorry. So that too is going to be another project that I will work on at some point. So anyway, off to Home Depot.